friends, welcome to Setu's Biology. Today our topic is about what are the equipments mainly used in the microbiology lab. First, see with the microscope. This microscope is mainly used for the viewing of objects which are not able to see with our naked eyes. This is the main use of the microscope by viewing the microscopic organisms. Let's see with the hot air oven. It is you mainly use it for the sterilization purpose, for sterilizing glassware surgical instruments. It is mainly maintained at the temperature of 160 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Let's see with the next one, that is autoclave. Autoclave is also used for the sterilization purpose, for sterilization of the culture media, rubber materials, gowns, modified pressure cookers, etc. It is maintained at the temperature of 121 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes at 15 lbs pressure. It is mainly used in the industrial purpose. The large autoclave is mainly used in the industrial wise. Let's go to the incubator. Incubator is mainly used to grow and maintain the microcultures or the cell cultures. It is used for the maintained at the optimal temperatures. Let's go to the BOD incubator. BOD is known as the biological oxygen demand. It is used to maintain the temperature for tissue culture growth and the storage of the bacterial cultures at a normal way. And refrigerator is mainly used for the storing of the bacterial cultures mainly. And also the medias also. Deep freezer is also mainly used for the long preservation purpose. Means what are the objects or the chemical substance what we want to storage at the long storage life. Let's go to the analytical balance. It is mainly used for the measuring of the cultures at an appropriate way. Let's go to the single distillation water plant. It is mainly used for the distillation of the impure water into the pure form, providing the heat to that. This is a second double distillation water plant. Now, actually the distillation water plants of two types, single distillation and the double distillation. Let's go to the next one, that is the pH meter. pH meter is used to measure the pH of the medias or the liquid substances which are containing whether they are in the acidic or the alkaline medias. Next, go to the shaking incubator. So shaking incubator is mainly used to provide the shake in the liquids for the appropriate mixture of the liquids. Let's go to the appropriate mixture of the liquid for even distribution of the in the medium. Chemicals in the medium. Let's go to the spectrophotometry. Spectrophotometry is used to measure the light intensity. Means it is used to measure the concentration of the compounds in the liquid. And the colorimeter, it is mainly used to measure the colored compounds. It is used mainly in the, means it gives a result in the form of a OD, optical density. Let's go to the laminar airflow. It contains the HEPA filters which provides a pure air into the chamber and used to prevent the airborne contamination during the lab work. Mainly we are doing the microbiological culturing purpose, plating purpose, streaking purpose, all we are going to do in the laminar airflow only. Let's go to the UV visible transilluminator. It is mainly used for the visualization of the target DNAs and the proteins in the unknown samples. Let's go to the colony counter. Colony counter is mainly used for the counting of the colonies on the plates. Means when we did the samples for the any examination, the streaking purpose, after 24 hours certain period of time the colonies may visible for the growth of the microorganism. Those colonies are examined. That next, go to the magnetic stirrer. This magnetic stirrer is used for in the agitation way, that liquid for speeding upspread of the for improved mixture. Let's go to the membrane filtration technique. I already said in the previous video that the nitrocellulose membranes are mainly used for the filtration purposes, for the sterilization purpose. Let's go to the water bath. Water bath is mainly used for the incubation time. Means we are going to incubate the samples in the water at the optimal temperature for a long period of time mainly. Let's go to the centrifuge. Centrifuge is a major common equipment in all the laboratories for the separation of the components in the liquid based on their optical density. The spins, when we kept the samples over here, based on the rotation per minute, they resolve and they separate the particles. This is a main clinically used centrifuge. These are the different equipments used in microbiology lab. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe and the like. Thank you so much.